Coming up on today's episode of Airborne-Unmanned, VoloConnect designed to expand Volocopter UAM ecosystem. Also, Canadian Aviation Association introduces drone membership. And uAvionix adds ping200XR with integrated GPS to Transponder Line-Up. Welcome to Aero-News Network's Airborne-Unmanned program, a weekly news program covering all things unmanned in partnership with AVSI, the Association for Unmanned Vehicle Systems International. Hi, I'm your host, Kimberly Kay. Now, Volocopter is looking to connect more people and places. Volocopter has unveiled its newest aircraft, VoloConnect. This electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft is designed to connect suburbs to cities and complements the company's existing family of aircraft for the intra-city mission. VoloConnect's hybrid lift and push design is expected to achieve certification within the next 5 years. With the capacity to travel longer distances, VoloConnect joins Volocopter's aircraft family and extends the company's UAM ecosystem coverage to the suburbs. The new aircraft will be integrated into Volocopter's existing portfolio of UAM ecosystem solutions, like VoloDrone, VoloCity, VoloPort, and the digital platform VoloIQ. VoloConnect extends its UAM ecosystem coverage from the city to the suburban areas. The new aircraft will integrate into the company's VoloIQ digital platform infrastructure to offer an additional mission for longer routes. VoloConnect uses a hybrid lift and push design to transport up to 4 passengers electrically on routes of 100 kilometers at a speed of 180 kilometers with a top speed of 250 kilometers. Volocopter's Munich-based team of experts, led by Chief Engineer Sebastian Moors, have been working on the aircraft for over 2 years and filed several patents for its technology. There are already flying multiple scaled prototypes of VoloConnect and are quickly progressing towards testing full-scale prototypes. Coming up after the break, a drone delivery company in Canada was awarded a 3rd patent. Those details after these messages.
Are you ready to ace your FAA drone pilot knowledge test, get your remote pilot certificate, and start earning money? Well, flying a drone is a great tool that can open up new business opportunities for anyone. Realtor, insurance adjuster, videographer, or commercial weekend drone warrior, you need to fly legally. Whether you're pursuing your initial Part 107 remote pilot certificate or you need a renewal, King Schools has a course just for you. So start learning today at kingschools.com.
Aviation Safety Resources is disrupting the market for aircraft emergency parachute recovery systems. ASR systems are smaller, lighter weight, and offer longer repack cycles than similar products available in the current market. ASR has a recovery system available for every type of aircraft: sport, experimental, light sport, general aviation, urban air mobility, vertical takeoff and landing, electric propulsion, and unmanned aerial systems. Find the right product for your aircraft at aviationsafetyresources.com.
I believe that if people use the landing doctor training program, they will have less accidents and eventually their insurance will go down and they will make a superior pilot. We do personal limitation checklists, which is the most important reason you need to fly with limits. We do ground proximity awareness training, and we do this with a crosswind. We've been operating 6 Bristels for 2 years without one insurance claim. The Landing Doctor program is working, and you're going to hear more about it.
In the next Unmanned Minute, let's take a brief look at a few of the shorter stories that are making the rounds of the unmanned vehicle communities. Advanced air mobility interests gain traction in Washington. The U.S. Senate Committee on Commerce, Science, and Transportation approved the Advanced Air Mobility Coordination and Leadership Act, which establishes a federal interagency working group to develop a national strategy in coordination with industry and other stakeholders to enable the maturation and growth of the advanced air mobility sector. Drone Delivery Canada awarded a 3rd patent. Drone Delivery Canada Corp has confirmed that the United States Patent Office has granted the company U.S. patent number 10987-184 for medical or emergency package and method of use thereof. The patent is directed to DDC's proprietary portable emergency or medical package. In particular, the patent is directed to the concept of a proprietary package including a number of compartments, where some compartments containing medical equipment is locked. Another launch target set for next Starliner flight test. NASA and Boeing are targeting 2:53 p.m. on Friday, July 30th for the launch of the company's Starliner Uncrewed Orbital Flight Test 2 to the International Space Station. The updated launch target is supported by the station's visiting vehicle schedule, Starliner readiness, and the availability of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket. Boeing recently completed end-to-end testing of the Starliner's flight software by flying a 5-day simulated OF2 mission to the station. HAI Board of Directors seeks special advisor for UAS. Are you a rotorcraft professional with experience in unmanned aircraft systems who is interested in giving back to the community? The Board of Directors for Helicopter Association International is seeking candidates to fill the role of Special Advisor, UAS, for the term of July 1st, 2021 to June 30th, 2022. The person in this position will be responsible for informing and advising the HAI Board of Directors on all aspects of UAS aviation. That was our Unmanned Minute. Now back to the rest of the news. Canadian Aviation Association realizes that drones are part of the aviation community and is hoping to represent them as well. The association notes that drones are profoundly changing the world of aviation, and as this new technology evolves, so too will its role in society. The remotely piloted aircraft are transforming Canadian businesses, enabling new insights and capabilities in disaster management, search and rescue, infrastructure, and countless other industries. COPA seems interested in representing both traditional and remote aircraft pilots. A key objective in uniting these communities together is to support COPA's ongoing efforts for safe integration of all airspace users. Traditional and remote aircraft pilots share common interests in safety and in protecting their freedom to fly. COPA reports that it has been involved with drones and related matters for several years. The association has contributed to the development of popular RPAS tools, including the National Research Council of Canada's Drone Site Selection Tool, and has partnered with Canada's aviation regulator to support education awareness initiatives. Coming up after these messages, uAvionix adds ping200XR with integrated GPS to Transponder Line-Up. Details after the break.
When adventure is calling, the Bory by Aero-Volga is the plane you need to answer the call. Bory's composite design is simple, reliable, and economical, with impressive performance and no gimmicks. Designed for the wilderness and proven durability in a flight around the Arctic Circle, the Bory has what it takes to handle your next adventure. Featuring 2 large cargo compartments, a comfortable modern cockpit, and a Rotax 912 power plant, the Bory Amphibian is now available in Canada. Experience the Bory for yourself at flightsimple.com.
At Diamond Aircraft, innovation is in our DNA. Whether you're taking to the skies for training or business travel, every aircraft in Diamond's lineup features innovative technology, an industry-leading safety record, superior performance and efficiency, and a comfortable flying experience. No other company has pioneered as many aviation firsts, achieved more milestones, or received the same amount of industry praise as Diamond. Discover why Diamond Aircraft is one of the most trusted manufacturers in aviation at diamondaircraft.com.
Whether you're charting a steady course or pushing for the ceiling, Hartzell Propeller has been elevating flight for over 100 years. It's in our passion for engineering and research. It's in our dedication to testing the limits of performance and creating propellers that are as safe as they are sexy. Now, together with our dedicated family of companies, we're propelling the future of aviation. We are Hartzell Propeller, built on honor.
Welcome back. uAvionix adds ping200XR with integrated GPS to Transponder Line-Up. uAvionix has added a new low-swap transponder to the lineup of UAS communications, navigation, and surveillance solutions. The ping200XR integrates the full capability of the ping200 TSO certified Mode S ADS-B out transponder with the high integrity true fixed TSO certified GPS position source into a single, easy to install enclosure. The single enclosure simplifies installation and allows the customers to choose between the existing installed GPS antenna or one provided with the ping200XR. The integrated GPS provides source integrity level 3, RTCA DO 229D, and TSOC 145E class Beta 1 performance, a requirement for Mode S and ADS-B airspace access, and for reception and processing by certified avionics and traffic collision avoidance systems in other aircraft, as well as air traffic control. SIL3 performance is not available from non-aviation certified GPS, which are often used as an autopilot navigation source. The ping200XR is integrable with many popular onboard UAS autopilots for dynamic control from ground control stations, including George, uAvionix Enterprise Autopilot Solution. Ping200XR can also be pre-configured before flight and carried as a payload, replicating the functionality of a cockpit transponder controller. The uAvionix mini controller allows you to dial in a squawk code before takeoff for even quicker integration and rapid deployment. Well, that does it for our show today. Thank you for joining us. I'm your host, Kimberly Kay. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube. You can also catch us on Roku and Fire TV. Just search for Aero-News or Airborne in the directory. We hope you enjoy the show. We'll see you next time.